Nature is such a great healer. Nature is so powerful. I'm healing myself with sun, air. Oh my goodness. The birds are singing to me. It's just a wonderful life. Just being still and doing nothing. This is the first time in my life I've actually done nothing. I'm just literally just laying in the sun, listening to the birds. Listen. I'm receiving light codes because God speaks to me just through nature, through these trees and through this air and through the sun. And I had a really beautiful day today, so I came home and I said I was going to lay down. And then look at me. I got something on my eye. You get in that good nap, that good sleep. You just get that little eye candy around there. But anyway, I came outside and I wanted to sit down. And I just have been noticing that every shirt I wore this week was yellow. Yellow is such a powerful, high energy color. Y'all know me, the Yellow Hearts gang. Where you at, Yellow Hearts gang? Throw up them yellow hearts. Get them in the building. And I just love creating this family lifestyle, just lifestyle vlogging content. And I'm just on the land and I'm just sitting. There's the swing set in the back, but no, it's not home. Look. Oh, wow. It goes all the way back there. Can you see it? Anyway, this feels so good. I feel like a kid in a candy store. And I'm just showing it to you. Real life. This is in my real life. What I do in my real life. Anyway, I'm having an amazing time. I had an amazing day today. We went to a new vegan soul food restaurant after I went to the doctor's this morning, me and I. So check out that video. I'll post it in the description below. And I'll be back soon. What can I say? I feel so healed. I feel so loved. I feel so nurtured. Nature is healing every part of me, from the top of my head to the soles of my feet. And I couldn't have imagined it any other way than this. Remember to always speak your truth, live your truth, be your truth.